Imagine earbuds that make games feel like you're in the battlefield and music like you're front row at a concert. Sony's WF-1000XM5 and Apple's AirPods Pro 3 are blowing up for their spatial audio magic. Wanna know why? Let's dive into the future of sound. Spatial audio is like surround sound in your ears, creating a 3D experience that pulls you into the moment. Add world-class active noise cancellation, and these earbuds are perfect for gaming, music, or just zoning out. X is buzzing with love for these, and today we're unpacking the Sony WF-1000XM5 and AirPods Pro 3. Ready to see what makes these earbuds so epic? Let's go! First, the Sony WF-1000XM5. These are the kings of audio. Their 360 reality audio delivers insane spatial sound, making every track feel live. Gamers on X are obsessed with how they nail directional audio in games like Fortnite. With best-in-class noise cancellation, 8 hours of battery life, and a lightweight design, these are a dream for audiophiles and gamers alike. Now, the AirPods Pro 3. Apple's H3 chip powers spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, so the sound follows your head. Perfect for movies and Apple Music. X users say they're unreal for gaming on iPhones with zero lag. They offer 6 hours of battery life, upgraded ANC, and seamless Apple integration. If you're Team Apple, these are your earbuds. So why do these earbuds matter? They're not just tech, they're an experience. Sony's WF-1000XM5 is for those who crave premium audio and versatility across devices. AirPods Pro 3, they're the ultimate pick for Apple fans and iPhone gamers. Both are incredible, but which one's your style? Drop your pick in the comments. The Sony WF-1000XM5 and AirPods Pro 3 are rewriting the rules of audio. Tell us below, Sony or Apple? And don't miss more gadget goodness. Subscribe to GadInsider and tap that bell icon for the latest tech updates.